Hey everyone, it's Sharon. Welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hey friends, welcome back to another video, and yes, this is going to be a haul video again, and don't worry, this is just a very affordable purchases. I went to Montreal Mall again, and yeah, the last haul video I featured that I bought some sandals from 138 Mall, and this time I bought some beauty products from there and some jewelries. Yeah, it's very affordable, and I got overwhelmed again because it's very affordable, and I'm pretty much excited to try them. And yeah, without further ado, let's start with this haul. So first things first, guys, for those who do not know what is 138 Mall, it's like a Divisoria here in Cebu City. Yeah, it is a big, like a mall type store, and there are a lot of small stores, like a boutique type of stores inside the mall, like Divisoria. So yeah, Divisoria in Cebu, 138 Mall. So I guess I'm going to start with the beauty items that I got from 138 Mall. So the first one that I got is this one from Ebony. It's their spa milk salt. I think you've seen me also on my previous hauls that I also hauled this one. This is my favorite exfoliator, you guys. It's the spa milk salt. It's a milk salt, and this smells so good. That's why I like it, and it really gets the job done. It exfoliates my skin so beautifully. Then I also got a lotion from the same brand called Abony. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, this is a lotion. It's their Miracle Spa Milk UV Whitening Lotion. This is the first time that I will be using this one, and it says here that it has nano white glutathione. They have two variations on this one, and that girl from 138 Mall said that this one is better compared than the other variants, so I picked it up, and this one is only 120 pesos, yeah, if I'm not wrong. Then I also got a hot oil cream. This one is from Andrea's Secret. It is a horse oil and argan oil. I am into hair treatments, you guys. That's why I am always buying something like this, a hair treatment, and I use this as my conditioner instead of those conditioners that are available at the store, because this treatments works better than those conditioners. So I got this one, and I think this one is only 150 pesos or 200, I forgot, but it's very affordable, and it has 500 grams. Then I also picked two products from EPSA. This is their organic brown rice moisture conditioner and their organic brown rice refreshing shampoo. And I think I saw Sis Ina from Feline Inavi's channel. I think that was her favorites video, and I saw her this shampoo in her favorites video. So if that shampoo is in Sis Ina's favorites video, then I need to try that one. I need to get my hands on that shampoo. So yeah, I'm so happy that I finally get to try the shampoo, Sis Ina. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, sis. Then I also got a pencil. This is an eyeliner pencil. I don't know if this is from 138. Yeah, I think I bought it online on Facebook. Yeah, I think my sister's friend sold this to me, but still you can find this one. This is a eyeliner eyebrow pencil from Me Now, and I bought this like for 25 pesos only. Yeah, it's very affordable, guys. This end here is the eyeliner. I have the one in brown, and the other side is a cream colored eyeliner. So 25 pesos. So up next are these Kyler lipstick kit. Yeah. You may be thinking, what? At 138 Mall? You found that lipstick at 138 Mall? Yes, I did found this lipstick there at 138 Mall, guys. And of course, these are not the original or real Kylie lipstick kit, of course, because this is only 140 pesos and this one is 120 pesos. So if you're going to 138 Mall, or I don't know if this sells in other places, maybe at APM Mall, but I got mine from 138 Mall. I don't, yeah, so if you want to purchase this replicas of Kylie lip kits, better get this one because this is the lipstick and the lip liner, and this one is only the lipstick. This is 140 and this is 120, so you have only 20 pesos difference. So better get this one because you have a great deal on your money on this one. And you may be thinking, what, you're buying that one that is a imitation. Yeah, I know this is only an imitation, but I'm just intrigued and interested on how this lipstick will work. For the color, I'm not sure if this is the same color as the original Kylie lipstick kit because I don't own those lipstick. It's just so freaking expensive. I cannot justify the price of it. So just for fun, I wanted to try this one and maybe do a little review soon on this. Yeah, maybe this work or not, I don't know, but it's only 140 and 20 pesos. Yeah, not bad. Then I also went to the jewelry sections, guys, and I found these pretty bangles. It's a elastic one. Each of these only cost 20 pesos, and I tell you guys, it's 20% off. So 20 plus minus 20% off. This is only 16 pesos. And how cute these two bangles are, guys. You can wear it like that together. Wow, bongga! Then I also got two chokers from there as well. These are only 50 pesos. It's very affordable. Yeah. Then I also picked up this earring from there. I think this one is only 30 pesos, but it's so pretty, you guys. Yeah, I really like this one and I'm so excited to try this on. Then I also found this bracelet from there also. This is only 50 pesos. It's very affordable. It's so cute. It has Eiffel Tower. Yeah, it's pretty cute actually. 50 pesos. Then I also got a necklace from there too. I wanted something that is something like this. Yeah, for a long time, and when I was shopping at Forever 21, I did not see something like this. So when I saw that, I was so excited. And mind you guys, this is only 50 pesos. And last but not the least, jewelries that I got from there is this one that I'm wearing right now. It's an infinity necklace. This one is only 80 pesos, I guess. Yeah, but if you're going to buy it wholesale, I think, I don't know, it will be 60 pesos or 50 pesos something for 3. So you need to buy 3 so that you could avail for the wholesale price, which is like 50 or 60. I forgot. But this one, for a single one, it's only 80 pesos. And they say that it is a stainless steel. Yeah, and I hope that it will not tarnish on me because I am such an aesthetic person. But yeah, it's so pretty. It's an infinity necklace, and I've been planning to go back there to buy more of the necklaces and earrings, but yeah, next time. So I also purchased some disposable gloves from there because it's very cheap, you guys. This has 100 pieces and this is only 200 pesos for 100 pieces gloves. So the next item that I will be showing, guys, is not from 138 Mall anymore. I went to another store and I picked up some beauty stuff there also, something skincare related. So the first one that I got is this nose pack from White Korea. I think I've seen a lot of people doing reviews or testing this one, and I'm pretty much intrigued if this really works. I always use my Biore strips, but since it's very pricey here in the Philippines, so I wanted to try something very affordable. Then I saw this one from iWhite, and yeah, I forgot how much. Oh, there's a price. It's only 18 pesos. So nose pack from iWhite. Then I also picked up my favorite soap from Kojisang. It's their Kojic acid soap. It's 50% off. I think this one is, I don't know how much. I forgot how much this soap is, but yeah, from Kojisang. Then I also got this Olay Skin Whitening Bar. I saw this on the commercial and I was so intrigued, and it says natural white from the first use. Wow. I don't know how true that is. Yeah, natural from the first use. Let's see. I'm gonna try this one and I will be doing an update if this if what it claims is really true, that it says natural white skin from the first time. I don't know if that's true, but let's see, let's try, and I'm going to update you all after I try this one. Another product that is still very interesting, I saw an ad on TV on this one, which is who's that actress from GMA? Marian Rivera. Yeah, and that other girl who was trying this one. It's this. By the way, guys, this is the Maxi Peel Exfoliant Solution, and I got the number one because since I don't have much acne. They say that you need, if you have very very few acne, you need to get the smallest number. So if you have a lot of acne on your face, you need to get the number 2. So and I only got some few spots here on my mouth and I wanted to get rid of it, but yeah, I was so intrigued when I saw this, and actually she made a video on YouTube on this one, but I don't know if that was true, and I was so intrigued about it and I wanted to try this. Look how crazy I am, guys. I know I have a very very sensitive skin, but still I wanted to try this. If I could remember using my skin make, oh my god, it made so much disaster here on my face, my skin mate one, which is this, I think is pretty the same with the Maxi Peel, because this is an exfoliator. It tends to peel your skin off. Yeah, but I don't know, this is very very low solution. It only has 2% solution of tretinoin and hydroquinone. But yeah, I don't know if I wanted to do a video, a documentary on this one, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a documentation when I use this, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let me know in the comment section, or maybe we could do a, like, if I get how many thumbs up, if I get like 20 or more thumbs up, then I will do a documentation on this one. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm a little scared. Let's see. So this one, I forgot how much, but I know that this is very very affordable, you guys. Another product from the commercial ad on TV. Yes, I think everyone knows this one. It's the Flawlessly You Whitening Lotion. I guess this is only new to the market. Yeah, it was Nadine. Yeah, Nadine. I forgot her family name. It was Nadine who was endorsing this one, and this is very 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 affordable compared to my Gluta-C lotion, and I wanted to try it. I wanted to try something that is affordable, that works. So it says here that it whitens in 7 days, and what I am drawn into this lotion is that it has an SPF 10. Yeah, most of the lotions here doesn't have any SPF, so at least this one has an SPF of 10. So I'm pretty much excited to try this one. This is, I forgot the price. Yeah, very very affordable. I think 50 pesos. Yeah. Then I also pick my favorite deodorant. Sometimes if I need to use a deodorant, I use this one. It's from Dove and it's their Ultimate White deodorant. And last but not the least, I also picked up some Youth Toilet from Pen Shop, and yeah, actually this is my favorite scent when I was still in college. I always use this one aside from the Calgon one, but Calgon doesn't is already phased out. You cannot sell. You can't see any Calgon products here in Cebu anymore, so I'm a little sad because I really like that one in Moon Petal. That was my favorite Calgon scent, but since they don't that wasn't available anymore, so I'm so happy that they still have Penshop still has this UD toilet. And my favorite scent is the Flirt one. This smells so good, you guys. So this is how it looks like, and this one has a 20 ml content, and I think it is 159 pesos only. Before it's only like 90 pesos something, but now it's already 159, but still not bad. It has the same scent as before. I still could remember way back in college. I'm so excited to use this again, guys. So that's it for this whole video, guys. I really did enjoy my trip to 138 Mall again. I intend to go back there soon because I wanted to buy more jewelry stuff from there because it's so inexpensive, and yeah, I just hope that it will last long on me since I have a very acidic skin and I am so sweaty. I just hope, but nonetheless, it's very affordable, and yeah, I cannot wait to go back at 138 Mall. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you on my next video, guys, and I love you always. Peace.